Welcome back to Billionaire Files. Today we explore how billionaires are building their own private space programs. This documentary focuses only on billionaire private space programs.
Let's begin by outlining the key events that led to this moment. Understanding the timeline is essential for a clear perspective on the situation.
This abstract cinematic texture reveals the intricate dance of creation, where light and shadow converge. Billionaires no longer rely on government space agencies alone. Private space companies are owned by billionaires. These programs operate quietly and independently. Rockets are built with private funding. Cost is not a limitation. Engineers are hired globally. Technology advances faster in private programs.
Billionaires want control over access to space.
Satellites are launched for private use. Space data becomes private property. Communication networks are built in orbit. Billionaires secure global connectivity.
Space stations are being developed privately.
These stations are not public. Space becomes a private frontier. Billionaires aim to reduce dependence on Earth. Space provides independence and power. Private launch sites are built in remote locations. These locations reduce public visibility. Rockets are tested repeatedly.
Failures are corrected quickly.
Speed of development is critical. Billionaires invest billions into space research. Profit is not the primary goal. Long-term survival is the focus. Private spacecraft are designed for reuse. Reusability lowers launch frequency limits. Billionaires want frequent access to orbit. Space travel becomes routine. Crewed missions are privately planned.
Selection processes are strict.
Only trusted individuals are allowed.
Training happens away from public eyes.
Simulators recreate space conditions.
Private space stations support long stays.
Artificial gravity systems are tested.
Life support systems are redundant.
Food is grown in orbit, experimentally.
Medical facilities exist in space.
Private doctors support missions remotely. Communication remains constant.
Satellites guide spacecraft precisely.
Billionaires control their own data. Space mining is researched privately. Resources beyond Earth attract interest. Rare metals exist in space. Ownership laws remain unclear.
Billionaires move faster than regulation.
Private space treaties are negotiated quietly. Space tourism is a secondary project.
Only the ultra-rich can afford it.
Safety is prioritized above comfort.
Emergency escape systems exist.
Risk is accepted as part of progress. Billionaires fund repeated missions.
Learning happens through iteration. Data improves each mission.
Private fleets expand rapidly.
Competition between billionaires increases. Space becomes a new status symbol. Control matters more than publicity.
Missions are rarely announced publicly.
Some launches go unnoticed.
Billionaires prepare for long-term space living.
Self-sustaining systems are developed. Water recycling is essential.
Waste is reused on board.
Energy efficiency is critical.
Private missions test new propulsion systems.
Faster to travel reduces mission risk.
Mars becomes a long-term interest.
Private probes study Martian terrain.
Habitats are planned conceptually.
Billionaires think in generations.
Space ensures survival beyond Earth. Governments observe private progress. Regulations struggle to keep up. Billionaires move ahead regardless.
Control of orbit means control of communication.
Information flows through private channels.
Space becomes infrastructure. Ownership defines power.
Private space assets grow yearly.
Billionaires prepare quietly.
The public sees only headlines. Most activity stays hidden.
Space is no longer just science.
It is strategy. It is security. It is independence. Billionaires see beyond Earth's limits.
Private space programs accelerate human reach. Access to space reshapes power.
Control determines the future.
Billionaires invest where governments hesitate.
Speed defines success.
Space is no longer distant.
It becomes accessible to a few.
Billionaires build first. Rules follow later. Space is the next frontier of wealth. Control of orbit changes everything. Billionaires position themselves early. The future is quietly claimed.
Earth becomes just one option.
Space represents survival and control. Billionaires prepare beyond headlines. This is Billionaire Files.